With the ability to gain speed and movement, they have the possibility to fly. And without them, they cannot fly at all. In this video, I'm going to talk about the design and the usage of engines. So have fun! Every airplane has an engine, whether 2 or 4, but they all play a role in the propulsion. Propulsion is the system that generates thrust to move an object forward, typically through engines like jet engines or turboprops. Jet engines often generate thrust by burning fuel to create hot gases, which are expelled to push the aircraft forward. The engine is mainly built with fan blades, which are like small wings that pull the air in the engine. The air that gets pulled in will directly show up in the compressor, where the air is getting overheated up to 1,000 degrees of Celsius. After that, the hot air, which has additionally high pressure, will be pushed out of the nozzle at about 930 miles per hour, and it will sound like this. To summarize everything, engines play a big role in propulsion, which generates thrust to gain movement and speed. And now I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I see you in the next video again.